Very good morning, children. Now we came to 8th class. In 8th class, what we learnt in 7th class mathematics, just recall, and then we'll start 8th. What will be in 8th class? Suppose here this is a new class. So when you joined in the school, LKG suppose, at the time when we are getting admission, at the time we used to distribute some chocolates to the children, right? In that class, otherwise whole school. Sometimes we will distribute certain class in which, so LKG, I am going to take admission in LKG. I am decided to distribute the chocolates to LKG. Otherwise, I am going to distribute the chocolates to LKG, UKG, first and second, third, LKG, UKG. Otherwise, first is only my class. My class is LKG. I want to distribute the chocolates to LKG. Otherwise, LKG and UKG, two classes. Totally primary section. LKG, UKG, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5th class. Otherwise, 6, 7, 8, 9 also, 9, 10 also. These many classes I am going to distribute the chocolates in, right? So to distribute the chocolates, I want to buy the chocolates first of all. If I need to buy the chocolates, so what I have to do? I should get some money and I should get chocolates from shop. So if I went to the shop, if I asked the shopkeeper to give a chocolates, means he will pose a question, how many you want? Question mark. I want chocolates. If you ask a question to a shopkeeper, I want to distribute chocolates to my class, that is LKG, give chocolates. Means, can he give? At that time, certainly he will ask you how many you need. And before going to that, he will pose a question, how can I know how many children are there in your class? How many children are there in your class? How many children are there in your class? So many chocolates you have to buy, right? To find that, we used to count how many children are there in that class. 0 means nothing. Suppose the student is presented here. Suppose the students are seated like this on the benches. Right? 0, 1, 2 is correct way? 0 is 0. You don't use to count, right? 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And so on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And in my class only 9 children are there. So I want to buy here only 9 chocolates. I can ask the shopkeeper, give 9 chocolates. Right? Used here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are called numbers. Numbers. What are numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on also we can. These are numbers. The numbers which are used to count, those are called counting numbers. Here 0 is not presented. 0 absent. 0 absent. The numbers which are used to count, those are called counting numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Given certain identity to that numbers, counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I used the numbers and so on. So many I can use. Those are called counting numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by N. Like my class is LKG. Understand? My class. Which class you are? LKG. Like that, the numbers which are used to count, those are called natural numbers. Those are like I am a student. Like that, those are numbers. Those are natural numbers which have identities N. N is used to represent the natural numbers. Natural numbers. Counting numbers definition. Right? Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers, which are denoted by capital N. Right? Which are denoted by N. N equal to natural numbers. N brackets equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. 9 after 10 and so on. Right? Natural numbers. And one more is there. Somebody is absented. Who is absented here? I said 0 is absent. That 0. If 0 is presented, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3. Such numbers are called whole numbers. Whole numbers. Natural numbers including with 0 are called whole numbers. That's it. Whole numbers definition. Whole numbers which are denoted by W. Natural numbers including with 0 are called whole numbers. Which are denoted by represented by W, capital W, which are represented by W. W is equal to whole numbers W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Right? And natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers with negative of natural numbers are called integers. So one more set is there here. First is counting numbers 1, 2, 3. Second one is who was absent, he presented. That is 0. 0 is presented. When the 0 is presented along with natural numbers, that is whole number set. Then, let's suppose now whole numbers with negative of natural numbers are called integers. Negative of natural numbers means -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10 and so on. Negative of natural numbers. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on with negative of natural numbers. -1, -2 and so on and so on. -7, -6, -5, -4, -3. Understanding? This is the set is known as, what is that set? That set is known as integers. Integers are denoted by Z or I, which are Zella numbers. Integers. Integers I or Z denoted by. Whole numbers along with whole numbers along with a negative of natural numbers are called integers. Which are denoted by Z or I. Integers are called Zella numbers. These are called Zella numbers. Integers Z or I equal to and so on -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. These are Zella numbers. Integers also